Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add closed caption to your Facebook Reels. So if you want to add closed caption, let's just go into our Facebook mobile application here. Right, so once we are here, okay, I will skip this up. So now we have to just go and click on upload a video, right? So let's just go to a plus icon here and we'll just upload a reel, right? And let's say I'll just add this image as a reel, right? Now once everything is done, once you have added the effects and everything and stickers, you can do all these effects you want to put over your reel. Now here, after you do that, you will get this option of closed caption here. Right, so if you're not able to get this, then what you have to do, you can see here, I'm not getting any option to add a closed caption. So the problem is that you have to just go to your Play Store. And once you go to the Play Store here, and you have to update your Facebook. Right, and if you have already updated just like me, then this feature is only it's just rolling out, so you have to just wait a few more days or months, and then you will get this option of closed caption, right? And you can also get it into the reel setting. So this is it. Make sure to like this video if you found this information really helpful, and subscribe our channel.